Are you traveling with your kid in this pandemic and are afraid of do's and don'ts while you are having your little one along? Hi mommies and daddies, my name is Meenu. Welcome to my channel Parenting Decoded by Meenu. I'll take you all in my journey and show you the tips and tricks which can help you all. So without any further delay, let's jump into this video. And this video comprises of 3 parts: before journey, during journey and post journey. Let's talk about the before journey part. Download the Arogya Setu app. This app is self-assessment app for the coronavirus condition, which basically uses Bluetooth location and data. So it is advisable to download this app and assess yourself beforehand so that you can simply show while you are at the airport. Buy a coronavirus protection kit. Though this kit contains PPE kit, face shield, gloves, hand sanitizer and mask. Apart from this, carry a disinfectant spray and wipes in case you need them. Talk to your kid about the situation so that he will not be scared of what is happening at the airport. You can do web check-in beforehand. Carry only one check-in bag and wrap it with clinch wrap to avoid any surface contamination. Print baggage tag and attach it with your bag. The detailed video link of the same is there in the description box, or you can check the same on the respective airlines with which you are traveling. Make sure you reach ahead of time to avoid any last minute rush. Eat at your home. Avoid carrying any food stuff, but yes, if you require, you can carry some as you are traveling with a baby. Make sure kid is fully covered from head to toe in a comfortable clothing. You can cover his head with a shower cap. During the journey, before boarding the flight, use washroom in case you need it, as the usage of lavatories are prohibited during the journey. Use your personal vehicle or government approved vehicle to reach to the airport and to your final destination. Carry an extra blanket or sheet to cover the seat to make an extra barrier between kid and the seat. Use hand sanitizer whenever you think it is needed. Don't be in a rush to deboard the flight and claim the baggage. Maintain a distance of 6 feet all the time. Use disinfectant spray when you receive the baggage. Avoid the usage of trolley. If you are wearing a PPE kit, dispose it off into the biohazard dustbin only. If you are coming from any containment zone, you can be asked for a institutional quarantine, or if you don't have any symptom, they can simply suggest you for a home quarantine for 14 days. Before you leave the airport, they will stamp you with your traveling date, so can anybody know that you are on a home quarantine. What you can expect at airline: no food will be provided by the airline. Usage of lavatories are prohibited during the journey. No contact check-ins. Thermal check-ins are mandatory. Print baggage tags to be carried by the passenger. Only one check-in baggage is allowed. Overhead bins are not allowed to use. Airlines sanitize before and after the journey. Precautions are better than cure. On this note, I am finishing up my video here. Hope you found the content useful. Please watch this space for many such useful videos. Bye bye, take care until we meet next. Parenting Decoded by Meenu signing off.